When I'm not rubbing the ears of Schrodinger's cat, one of the things I like to do is answer questions about music. And a great question is, are there any amazing melody lines out there that are catchy, fun, and easy to learn? Well, one of my favorites that fits this category is by a group called The Laws, and in 1988 they put out the song There She Goes. Fantastic melody line, and it sounds like this. Now, of course, this song was redone in 1997 by Sixpence None the Richer, and it sounds even better when it's pushed out by the voice of Lee Nash. Hope you enjoyed it.